Hello friends, I'm Avdhendra. Friends, in our country, there is talk of the town. The discussion is going on Delhi High Court incumbent Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma. Shack of money, Indian currency, have been captured in his storeroom, in his home residence. That is the news today. It is why it is in news. The reason is judiciary independence is being compromised. Does it? That's the question. So, to follow the natural justice process, Supreme Court of India Chief Justice Rajiv Khanna made an inquiry committee to examine is that Mr. Yashwant Verma and his family member is involved in this menace. The Chief Justice of Delhi High Court actually did conducted inquiry, and in that response he submitted his finding to Chief Justice of India Mr. Khanna, and to that he said that yes, there is a suspicion which needs to be examined in depth. So CGI went ahead and formed the internal in-house inquiry. In-house inquiry in India, not a constitutional one. It is a derivative of Supreme Court of India. In 1999, since then, they are following this in-house inquiry on judges. If they found it in-house inquiry, others judges are under the misconduct, alleged misconduct, he should be directed by CGI to resign, and if they don't follow the resign instruction by the CGI, then there is a constitutional framework how to remove the High Court and Supreme Court judges. So what is in-house inquiry committee? A three-member committee, two would be the Chief Justice of different high courts, and one would be the another high court's judge. A three-member inquiry committee would be there. They will examine it and they will send the report to the CGI. Either the alleged judge is involved into the misconduct, judicial misconduct, or not. So internal inquiry, this report doesn't go into the public. Okay, it is very confidential. Put it in Supreme Court's hand. So that's the process of internal inquiry. Okay, so Mr. Yaswant Burma is are being examined by Mr. Burma. I also said that to just a preliminary prima facie. I said that when the CGI asked him, he responded in the word I'm reading for you. No cash was ever placed by him, Mr. Burma, and his family member in the storeroom. He is saying that we have never put in a storeroom any kind of money, and that they were never shown the stack of burnt currency notes during the fire control operation. That means he is saying that when the fire control operation was going on, there was no currency, sack of currency, which they found actually after that. So they are saying that yes, it was a could be the planted by somebody else, to because these are the very powerful posts. Okay, somebody could have done that. A fire was could have been planted, and the money was could have been placed in there. There is a possibility, because these posts are when they manage the high value currency, cases. So there is a possibility some hatch of the judges. So inquiry will actually tell us the way forward. Hmm? So you cannot say that yes or no, but there is both the probability. But natural justice says that uh, in presumption of innocence must be. So the report will tell exactly what will follow the course of action. We have in constitution guideline that the parliamentary proceedings would be there, and two-third member of both the houses will be voted for. Then that resolution will go to the president, and president will remove the person. That's the process in India. A special majority needed for removal of the judges in High Court as well as Supreme Court. Okay, that's the things I told you, my friend. But there is just some speculation that, but presumption of innocence is definitely a good thing, and we must have to follow that procedure. Thank you very much.